In this video, we'll demonstrate how to delete a Teamspace in Notion. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about deleting a Teamspace in Notion, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing Teamspace settings. When you're in Notion, locate the left side of your screen where your Teamspaces are listed. Deleting pages in private sections is straightforward, but deleting pages in a Teamspace requires a different approach. Step 2. Navigate to Teamspace settings. Click on the three dots within your Teamspace. You'll notice that the options to duplicate, lift, or archive the Teamspace aren't available. To resolve this, access the Teamspace settings. Step 3. Managing team members. In Teamspace settings, under the General tab, you'll find options to lift or archive the Teamspace. However, these options might be disabled if there are still members within your Teamspace. Step 4. Removing team members. Go to Settings on the top left of your screen. Then select Members. Here, you'll find a list of all the members in your Teamspace. To delete a member, click on their profile and choose Remove from Workspace. This action permanently removes them from the Teamspace. Step 5. Archiving the Teamspace. Once all members are removed, return to Teamspace settings. Click on Archive Teamspace. For safety measures, it may ask you to confirm by typing your name. You'll also have the option to duplicate the pages to your private section, but you can proceed without making any changes. Step 6. Confirm and completion. After archiving, you'll no longer be part of the Teamspace. This concludes the process of deleting your Teamspace in Notion. For more informative tutorials and guidance, visit MediaMagnetGuide.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for future content.